family, welcome back to Brownie Points, and today we are planting our new plants in our garden. Here's Carson, he's our big helper for today.
Yep.
Cody, Case, say hey Case.
Hey.
Case, he's pretty focused. And here's Kai. Hi.
Hey, bud.
Hi helper. Okay, he's not really helping, but he's here. And we are planting some new seeds today. We are planting cabbage, squash, zucchini, and onions. And this is our other garden over here. It's small, it ain't much, but this is all we got for now. So we have okra, tomatoes, onions.
And
we have
squash.
vegetables going here. Squash. Look at our squash. They look so lovely.
And these are our potatoes.
Potatoes. They grow really good. And we have bell. Oh yeah, y'all, we gotta plant our bell peppers. Let me show you our bell peppers. Hold on.
Yeah. Monday already planted.
And these are our bell peppers. Look at them. They blooming so well.
These are actually Lundy bell peppers.
Lundy bell peppers. Yeah. Me and my niece London, we planted these on Mother's Day actually, and they have grown pretty well ever since then. And we did this remedy where we put the seeds down in here, and we covered with soil, we watered a little bit, and we just kept this covered until they started to sprout.
Mommy, that was after Mother's Day.
No, it was on Mother's Day. And we yeah, and it grew really well. So we're gonna plant the ones that's blooming today, but I'm not sure if we should wait a little bit more. But because these apartments are so tiny and short, I want to give these roots a little more room to grow. So I think we might replant the ones that have bloomed today. Okay, so you guys sit back and watch us do our process. Another pot here. 5 pots.
So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pots. It's gonna be really fun. It wasn't fun for me because I had it all day.
Got dirt all over. Hey.
It's so fun. Cereal. No, it's soil. Look.
Look at the worm.
Ah! Oh yeah. It's like worms that look like they have tiny hairs. Those are centipedes.
We found a centipede in our soil. Can y'all see? I hope y'all can see it.
But worms that don't have,
Okay, we're gonna plant our halfway. Maybe 4 some.
I need to see you.
Okay. Alright. Okay, yeah, so over here we have some really good rainwater. It may look a little dirty, I guess, but this is Case's plaything, and he put everything in here. But it's just like grass and stuff. But this is some really good rainwater, and we're gonna take advantage of this and water our plants with this today. No, don't put anything in here. Okay, family, so now it is time for us to plant our seeds. They are really excited about this plant, so we're about to do it. You ready, Kai? I can't get my children's name right. You ready? You ready? Are you ready? Not sure? Are you ready, Cody?
Yes.
Are you ready, Case? Case? Are you ready, Cars?
Yeah.
You ready? You ready now? Not a picture. All right, we're gonna get started. Here we go.
Go.
I'm planting planting my bell peppers, and I want to show y'all this. It's a pretty easy hack. I just push it up at the bottom, and it comes right out. Oh Lord, it's crumbling. Pick it up carefully. And here we go. And I just plant it right in the soil. Okay, buddy. So we found some little friends out here. I ain't never seen these before. Let's see. They are super black and shiny. So family, I hope that you guys enjoy watching us plant our plants. And we're going to keep y'all posted on our garden journey. But so far, so good. Thank you guys for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and tune in for more videos. Peace, family.